guys, and welcome back to another episode of Short Stories and Rants from the Face Cradle. Today we're going to be talking about our
weather.
Our massage experiences, our first massage that we ever gave. So, let's get to it. So, hi guys, I'm Sinead.
Hello guys, it's Krzys here.
So, Chris, tell me, what was your first massage experience? The first time you massaged somebody?
Well, where do we start? Like, are we talking about the one in the college? Or are we talking professional one?
No. The first one outside of college. So the first one you got paid for, should we say?
Okay.
So when you fresh out of college.
Oh my God, yeah. Well, terrifying experience, as always. It was. My client, that was a female, and the mobile massage therapist. She booked it with me. She had some problem, and first one, I think it was a problem with scoliosis, some problem.
Okay.
So yeah, we booked a session, and yeah, I was shaking. I was shaking because we practice our initial consultation, we practice everything, and but when it comes to the first real one, it's like, we had the practice in college with the massage clinics.
Yeah.
So that was fine, but I was there on my own.
You were in her house?
Yeah. So in the house, because I do mobile massage. Yeah. So it was great. Yeah, I arrived, set up really nicely. Had the initial consultation, which it went really quickly, too quick, I think.
What, so you were short on time, or?
No, it was just initial consultation took 5 minutes.
Okay.
Which should or shouldn't took a bit more, but.
When you said it went quickly, I thought you meant you were back in the car within half an hour.
The hair massage, done, yeah.
Done.
Yeah. So the initial consultation was pretty quick, because I was I was always rushing stuff.
That's nerves as well.
It was very nervous. And massage, I remember it was in my head what do I do? And I remember I was just trying to do so much. You know what I mean? In the beginning, you just try to, I don't know, I was, instead of just actually, I think I can say, instead of just kind of, I was helping and I was doing what would need to be done, but I was it's more as a showing off.
Yeah.
Showing off what you just learned for the past year, and what you were doing, just all the techniques, everything. We just it was just normal shoulder, back, and neck massage. But oh my God, I was sweating. I was doing this and that, and effleurage, and kneading, and stretching, and skin rolling, and this, and neck stretches. Oh my God, I was literally, I was so tired. But client loved it. She booked, she became the regular client after.
Do you still see her?
No, just only because she moved out. She
Ah.
moved out of Bristol, and she lives in London, I think, at the moment. Yeah.
How soon after qualifying, or had you qualified?
How did I qualify?
No. How long after you qualified was it that you had your
First paid, yeah, and that was paid client, guys. That was the first money cash in hands, and that was another stress after this one was asking for. Am I gonna come back to that? It was I was packing and what do I say now? What do I say? What do I say now? What do I say now? Now it's easy. Thank you for the session. £50, please. But that was pretty quickly, because I think because I started quite early getting out there to the clients, and by before I even finished, I already had a client base, small one by small one, And I had my website, I had my leaflets everywhere. So I started pretty quickly getting clients after.
Yeah. That's what I was going to say. How did you get your first client? What means of marketing was it that she seen you on? Was it Facebook or was it?
No, that was web. She was not from the referral. I think she was from a referral because we had, when you were studying, you had clients, practice clients, friends, people, and I already advertised myself as a, trainee massage therapist. So I had lots of phone calls from the website already, or from leaflets, and obviously those were not paid. So obviously I was really busy.
Yeah.
Because everyone
Free massage.
free massage. The first paid one was from the recommendation from the client where I seen as a student, which was great. Yeah, and first money. But that was quite. I think that was straight after we qualified. I think second week.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I kind of straight away I had few regular clients from when I was student, so they carry on, but they started to pay,
Yeah.
which is such
Brilliant.
a great, moment.
Yeah, it's that feeling when you first have that money in your hand.
Yeah,
It's weird, isn't it? It's almost like it's not right. Because I think because you have to do so many free before you qualify, it's weird to accept money for something.
Oh, that was very right for me.
Oh, yeah.
Felt very, thank you, please. Thank you, here you go, please, that's it. And and anyway, I didn't charge as much as I charge now, so
Yeah, so did you set up some sort of offers to start with to get people in? Did you have anything that...
No, not in the beginning. No, I didn't.
Had one price?
I just had the one price, and I was like, "Whoa!" I charged £35, so that's
a good price.
so that's a good price. That's nothing exactly.
Yeah.
I just set up, lower prices. After advice from someone, you can always raise the prices.
Yeah.
But never lower them, because that would be the most difficult. So start low and build up. And obviously £35 for the hour of massage, especially mobile massage, that's nothing. But you know what? I was happy, and I was pretty busy in the beginning. But the session, I was very nervous. The client was very nervous as well. But I remember oh my god, I sat down in the car after, kind of couldn't believe just trying to come down.
I just got visions of like this cartoon character with like sweat dripping on
Yeah.
the client, like splashing off.
Yeah.
And you're there like,
stressing. But in my head was like, like it's in the beginning, you know what you're doing, but you don't know what you're doing, but you're doing it. Kind of still without the confidence yet, and everything was like, I have to do everything.
Yeah, I think as well, when I was a student, you were saying to people, this is free because I'm studying and you're going to be doing my case studies. And so you kind of think it's okay to go, actually, hold on a minute, I'm going to get a book, I'm going to look at this, I'm going to have a think about it and talk things through. But then as soon as you get that bit of paper, you're suddenly like, oh, pressure.
Yeah.
I know with my first client, when they came in...
Yeah, tell me about yours.
I didn't know what I was doing in my head. Of course I did.
Yeah.
But, I remember she had a complaint, I think it was lower back pain, and I was sort of sudden panic about testing the discs and, all these thoughts in my head, and I was thinking, I was like a rabbit in headlights, and I couldn't think what I had to do.
Yeah.
And I suddenly, all I thought back to was our tutors saying, have a look, just look at the person and see what there is that needs working on. So I did the posture assessment.
Yeah.
And sort of worked on what needed to be done. But luckily, I had an offer where I was doing 3 for the price of 2.
Okay.
So she'd signed up for 3 treatments.
Oh, cool.
So part of me was thinking, well, I'll treat what I can see, and then as soon as she's out the door, I can get my books out and
Research.
go, oh my god, what should I have done? So that sort of kept me calm and got me through. But it turned out, after she left, I looked through my books and I had done everything that I should have done. But it's just at that time your mind goes blank and you just think, oh my God, you've got pain and I don't know what to do. Whereas the week before, I would have been, try this. And
you had an exam and you knew everything.
Yeah.
But that's a really good tip like for all massage therapists out there, guys. So listen up. After every massage, just open up the books. And don't be afraid to say you don't know. But make sure you just find out about it. So after the session, open up the books, research. That's the way you learn.
Yeah, definitely, and talking to other therapists, because what I was saying just the other day, I was talking to someone that just shone a light on one of my clients. If supervision's brilliant, but even if you can't get to supervision, try and just talk to somebody else, talk it through.
Yeah.
And always get the books out. Always. There's so much to know. Of course, sometimes you will forget things. There are things that really...
Oh, seriously, now, we've done more courses, and you have like a couple of years of experience, and I can, happily say I don't remember stuff.
Yeah.
I don't, because, you don't have this academic, studying, thinking every day. But I have experience.
Yes.
Which is different knowledge. I don't remember all the muscles names, but
you know where they are. And
I know where they are and everything, and the things just sometimes I don't know, but when you start looking at it, moving stiff. Oh, is this?
Yes.
Yeah. So even the Harry Potter muscle, you can't forget the Harry Potter muscle.
Go on then.
Quadratus lumborum, and the magic happens.
Right, guys, I think we've more or less covered everything. Have you got anything to add?
No. Guys, just, new students, guys, when you finish, don't be afraid. Everyone,
Or be afraid and just accept it, because everyone is afraid when they first... It is scary, especially accepting money for something. You put pressure on yourself to be someone professional, but the thing is, you passed. You've got that certificate. You are amazing. You can do it. And it's just having that faith in yourself. But once you get over the first one,
you'll be fine. Just enjoy it. Good luck, guys.
Good luck. See you soon.
Bye-bye.